Alright, so I was using the wrong card to open the door. That's what my wife was getting on me.
That's not a key.
What is
just
it?
To keep in there for the keys right here.
Got a blue. Yeah. Toilet. Shower. Got a bell. What is that? That's a cold one. Okay. Shampoo, shower. We won't be using that. Right now we're still docked at the Port of Miami. Our board time was around 11. The boarding process is pretty easy. We got in the passport line and it moved very fast.
Housekeeping first. Because I think he was supposed to do it all.
No space though, for sure. Alright, so we're gonna head up to the Lido deck and get us some food and some drinks and get ready for the sail-away party. So we want to get in the cruiser and low tide. And we also got Guys Burgers.